Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I don't know if it's gonna be too loud, but I'm gonna try something crazy right now. I've been wanting to color my hair for a very long time, to at least just the ends to a different color, and since I already need to retouch my roots, I'm just gonna try something crazy, see how it works. I'm gonna do it at home because I'm cheap. That's the whole reason. I don't want to spend a lot of money trying to do my hair somewhere else, and I might regret it. I might just burn my hair and have to shave it all, and we'll see. Anyway, so I'm gonna be using a couple of things that I got today at Walmart. First of all, I'm gonna retouch my roots because I'm not gonna do the whole hair in one color. I just like little shades here and there. So for my hair, I'm gonna be using this. Is the Garnier 63. This is what I always use for my color. I like it. Hopefully it'll look good with the other color. I also bought this Loreal, and this is this is the Bleach all over, which I'm scared. I'm petrified to use this, but oh well. If anything, I'll just do I'll cut my hair. So I'm going to be using that. I was already reading the instructions. And I'm going to use this Colorista from L'Oreal too. And the color is like a cute purple lavender. And it's supposed to get the color. Let's see if it can focus in here. Maybe not. Anyway, so it's like a cute lavender color. And that's something that I want for my ends. I'm gonna do a couple here and there, try it out, and if I like it, I'll do a poquito more. So I bought that. Oh, sorry. I also got this, what are they called? Clips, sectional clips, to make it easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, see how it turns out. Hopefully my hair won't just fall off. I don't have a lot of hair, so I'm a little scared, and I love doing my hair every day, so wish me luck. I'm gonna start by using hair ties to separate locks of my hair, and this is just because I don't want the whole area to have that purplish, so I'm just gonna grab small sections and tie them like this. Now I'm going to use the manufacturer's directions to mix the dyes, and I'm going to go ahead and use first one, the Garnier, which is the base color I'm going to use. I'm going to start applying it in my roots about an inch and a half, and just to cover all the roots that I have growing in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of spread everything around, all of it around my hair. And now the second part, I'm gonna start bleaching the ends below the rubber band. So I'm gonna add this, and I'm adding the foil because my mom used to do this all the time too. And it also will help me prevent the other hair getting the bleach in them. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna add a fair amount, and I'm gonna close it and just roll it up so it doesn't stain the rest of the hair. Now I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my hair with the base color, just trying to be careful to not get those in there. I missed a part here, so I'm gonna go back and add more of the foil. I have all my hair ready. Now it's time to see what happened with the foil. I waited for an hour, and it turned out like this. So I'm gonna remove all the foil and also the rubber bands, and I'm gonna take a shower. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna add the purple color, which is the Colorista, and I think it was a pretty cool application, easy. I wanted to do more color. I'll probably do that next time. Hey guys, so this is the result. I'm gonna see if I can take pictures outside because the light here is pretty bad. So it's like you can barely tell it's purple unless you put it like that. It kind of blends in with the other color, so hopefully in the light you'll be able to see more of the purple. But it was a cool experiment. I mean, it kind of worked. My hair always let me see if you can see it this way better. It did get that purplish color. My hair, every time I try to bleach it or get it lighter, it tends to get this red color or red tint to it, so it's a little hard for me to change my color. But yeah, I'm happy with the result. I didn't want anything extreme. I wanted something, you know, kind of subtle that I can hide for my presentations. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.